Annalisa watching a video for Mazakeen. This video is uploaded on Google Drive and linked to the Facebook post. So it looks like for this video they're already trailing.
Leave it. Mazakeen, leave it.
So when she leaves it and comes back, you want to give her a sometimes, not all the time, give her a little praise or a thank you.
Rocky terrain here.
Can't see her on the film here. There she is, a little bit.
Easy. Work it, leave it.
So right there, you shouldn't get in front of her. So if she went to the left, you either stop or you get behind her, but you don't keep moving forward on the trail. Now she's out in front.
Mazakeen, stop. Stop. Okay, good.
Okay, nice. Good release.
Leave it. Work it. Leave it. Leave it. Work it. Where's Sierra? Leave it.
So I don't know if I am with
Mazakeen.
this.
Okay, work it. Tightening the leash.
Okay, good commentary. I was just going to say I don't really know where the trail is to give you a feedback on how she's working it, but I'm assuming she's doing okay because you're not saying she's not doing okay.
Slow it down a second. Work it. Work it.
Uh-oh. What happened?
Mazakeen.
I don't know what happened there. I'm worried about what happened.
All right, slow it down a minute. Easy. Leave it. Leave it. Leave it. Leave it. Leave it. Leave it.
She's definitely listening to the leave it more. I worry about what if the dog peed there? And she's smelling it.
Coming up on what should be a left-hand turn.
Good commentary.
Cut it here. Work it. Work it. Mazakeen, work it. Where's Sierra?
You said left-hand turn and she's going left.
I'm not sure which route she took through here,
Okay.
but that's the dog park fence.
Oh, this is the dog park
Easy, Maz, easy.
video.
Easy, girl. This downhill's a little hard to work.
Mm-hmm.
Leave it. Leave it. Work. Where's Sierra? Work it. Leave it. Leave it. Leave it. Not distracted by that dog.
It was nothing. What do you mean
Leave
got distracted?
Work.
Where's
Where's
that
Sierra?
was her being pleasant and
Maxine.
saying hello.
Leave it. Now. Leave it. Find Sierra.
She's doing great. She's doing great. That's amazing.
Whoop, 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 whoop.
Uh-oh.
Leave it. Keep working. Keep working. Leave it. Leave it.
I can't really see. I think it's just the pee around the dog park.
Leave
but
it.
you don't know if the other
Entrance
dog
to the dog
is
park.
peed there.
Leave it. Easy. Leave it. Leave it. Leave it. Sorry about that. Second entrance to the dog park. Leave it. Work. 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 Find Sierra. Where's Sierra? Work it. Keep working. Work it. Work it. Where's Sierra? Leave it.
I
Where's
can't
Sierra?
see her right now. I'm not seeing what she's doing.
Show me Sierra. Where's Sierra?
So
Work.
she's coming back to you.
Work.
So she's confused or she's giving you a sit. That's good. Maybe she wants some water or
Where's
she's
Sierra?
confused.
Find her. Mazakeen, find her. Find her. Where's she at? Where's she at?
So now she's going. She doesn't want to go
Mazakeen,
that way.
Where's Sierra?
So I'm confused here.
Find her. Find Sierra. Okay, we seem to be at an impasse. Work it, Maz. Work it. Work it. Where's Sierra? Mazakeen. Mazakeen, leave it. Find Sierra. Where's she at? Work it. Mazakeen. Where's Sierra? Leave it. Where's Sierra? Stop. Keep working it. Where's she at? Mazakeen, keep working it. Mazakeen, look at me. Hey, look at me. Where's she at? Work it.
Okay, so what I would do in this situation, if I was working my dog, I thought we were where the person was supposed to be, but they're not there, I would call the person on their cell phone and make sure I know where they are then. And so, yeah, so you would call the person on their cell, where are they? And then ask them, okay, so when, after we were at the dog park, we passed 2 gates, where did you go from there? Or something like that. Because she's clearly giving you, she missed a turn or something is going on here. And we don't want to frustrate you or frustrate her where we're, and we're egging her on maybe not the scent. So that's what I would do in this scenario in the future.
Work it. Mazakeen. Where's Sierra? Work it. Work it. Where's she at? There you go. Good girl.
Oh, I couldn't
Good
see
girl.
it.
Yes, sir. Come here, girl. Give you a treat. Come on.
Oh,
Good girl.
I can't see.
Come on. Yeah. Good job. Have a treat. Yeah.
So
I don't know.
where was she?
She hugged the fence pretty tight, but she followed it straight until we got to the end of the fence, and then she just kind of lost it.
Okay, so I'm still unclear where she was hiding from that video. I saw that you followed the fence. So yeah, where was she hiding?